paalis na kami guys.
Oh, cut the
Inaantok na siya.
cut the film. Y'all didn't see
Inaantok
that
pa
film.
siya. So, ito yung bag. Ito yung dalawang pagkain. Ito yung aking bag. Jacket, sweater. I mean, hindi siya mainit. So, madilim pa siya sa labas. So, paalis na kami guys. Ilagay ko muna yung mga gamit doon sa labas. So, ilagay na natin. Dito lang yan guys, sa likod. Madilim. Pero, actually, medyo maliwanag na siya guys. So, it's okay na rin na mag-drive kasi ano tawag dito, kesa mamaya maliwanag na mga traffic na. So, yan yung tubig namin guys. Para medyo malapit-lapit sa kamay ni Tortol. Tapos, ito yung pagkain. Yung yellow bag doon na ni Tortol sa harap. Ilagay para madali niya ma-access ba. Alright guys. So this is it. 5:30. Magpa 5:30 na guys. So ayan si Toltol sa harap ko. So siya yung aking co-driver. Oh Lord. Na late na kami ng 30 minutes. Dapat sabi ko 5 o'clock. Pero madilim pa naman yun kanina. Pero ito ano talaga perfect. So okay. God bless us. Our trip. Sana wala lang hadlang, walang hassle yung daan, yung ano lang, yung maging safe lang yung pagdating namin doon at saka maaga lang kami makarating. Di ba, Toltol? Okay,
Just
Lord.
praying.
Yes, tutuyan mo kami sa aming biyahe at papunta at pabalik. Amen. Hey guys, so 1.5 hours nasa Delaware na kami guys. So si Toltol kagigising lang siya. So ano siya, yung umalis kami 5:30, right now it's 7 o'clock. So ano lang namin guys, kapapasok lang namin ng Delaware. So kagigising lang ni Toltol. So natulog siya ng 1 oras at kalahati. So meron pa tayong 6 na oras guys, and yeah, meron pa tayong 6.5 or 6 hours and 45 minutes. So kalalagpas na namin ng New Jersey line. So nasa New Jersey na kami, which is about, di ba, kadadaan lang namin ng Delaware kanina. So actually parang less than 30 minutes New Jersey na siya. So nasa New Jersey turnpike kami ngayon, and this is like about 47 miles, and then mag-turn ulit kami after. So it would take a while, maybe mga 20 minutes before ulit tayo mag-turn. So but so far so good. Ang ganda ng panahon guys. Mainit siya kasi naka-close yung mga window ko. Pag binuksan ko naman siya, malamig. Alright guys, can you believe exactly the same yung ano? Yes, $50 please. Can you believe guys? Ito din yung tawag dito. Ito din yung first stop namin nung first time kami pumunta. Pumunta kami doon ako nagpagasolina sa isang gasolan sa Shell. Pero kasi gift card yung ginagamit ko, sabi nung gift card kasi nade-decline siya pag dito ko siya binayaran, so kailangan papasok ko. So yung Shell sabi wala daw silang kahera sa loob. Ito din yung kami dito, umihi kami di ba last time si Toltol. ang sarap kaya ng tulog nito, tapos iniwan ako sa ere, siya lang mag-isa, sabi kong ganun. So ito yung first na stop namin guys, exactly the same thing. Sabi ihi na ako talagang, sakit na ng puson ko, sabi ko kailangan ko talaga mag bathroom break, alam mo yun. So 10.5 liter gallons pala yung kinuha ko. So alis na tayo guys. Alright, so empty na yung bladder natin guys. Napuno na ulit natin yung sasakyan kasi kalahati na yung nakain ng gas. Seatbelt sweetheart, nasa New York na tayo maya maya. So ewan ko kung mga ilang miles pa, pero yung malapit na lang to. mag-ano na tayo, yung New York na tayo. So, katapusan yung kain niya, natulog siya, tapos pagising niya kain, bago siya natulog, kumain. Tapos gutom pa daw siya. You don't eat too much in the, you know, when we're driving later, you don't wanna have like belly ache, you know. So, yeah, so labas na kami guys ng highway. So, labas na tayo ulit ng highway. Meron tayong 5 hours and 30 minutes left. So, right now it's, one second, sweetheart. Right now it's like 8:30 na.
Welcome to New York.
Hi guys, we're in New York finally. So, New York, we're going to drive 117 miles.
What?
117 miles after the next exit. So, probably mga 2 oras yan guys.
Look at all these beautiful mountains.
Yeah. So, take a video. Wait, where are we? Albany. I have to take the Albany. Okay. We're not gonna exit or else we're gonna be back. Yeah, so guys, when it comes to video, love it so much.
Beautiful. Bro, we're so high up, you can literally see the clouds.
Look at the thing.
The rock is amazing, guys. Look at that. I smell shrimp, don't you?
No.
It smells like H-Mart. I don't know. It smells like H-Mart. Did you smell it?
I smell like crabs and, you know, I don't know why I smell those kind of stuff while we are in the mountain. Like, because there's like, you know,
Military.
stuff. No, these are like, I don't know, like
Bases.
That's the milk that we're drinking that area.
Yeah, and it's really disgusting.
You don't like this?
Oh.
It's actually yummy.
Guys, comment down below. Oh my god, shit. Tripping. And guys, comment down below. What's your favorite Starburst? Hold on. My favorite is the watermelon. Flipping all the flavors. Well, these aren't all. I'm trying to find all of them, but yeah. We got Starburst here.
What's going on?
Yum yum. What is it?
I don't know why this is traffic.
I don't know.
Is there a toll gate here?
I'm starving, guys, and I want something really warm, like really warm. Should we just make a stop to get something?
No, when we get there later on na to.
Okay. It's 115 miles right now. When it gets to 100 miles, then can we?
I don't know, you know, we're gonna be driving all mountains. So I don't know why this is traffic. So.
Yeah. All right, guys. We're gonna see you when we eat or when we see something really cool, like a mountain, so then we can show you guys. Bye. So, guys, it's raining.
Alright guys, okay. Can you imagine guys, ito yung pinakamahabang road is 114 miles. Tapos ganito yung ubusad-usad lang siya. Siguro may accident doon. Kasi umuulan.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you can.
I could see like the car right over there. So there's probably an accident or I don't know.
Okay, yeah, you guys can't see, but yeah, the blue scar, the blue scar is gone, but as you can tell, it's raining like crazy.
Yeah,
Like,
and it's so hard to see because
it looks more clear on camera, but guys, trust me, when you're in the car,
yeah.
it looks
Foggy.
really foggy. It's so foggy right now. Maybe it's because of this 4K camera, but right now you can barely see because it's foggy everywhere.
We cannot enjoy the mountains.
Yeah, you can't enjoy it. Mountains, it's bushes.
So we'll just see them later on.
Guys, we'll see later on when it starts getting a little bit better. And yeah, keep you notified. Peace. Right after when I paused, 2 seconds later, just 2 seconds, the rain is gone, guys. Look at these mountains, these beautiful mountains, guys. This is crazy. I know they just look like bushes, but they're pretty tall. Not gonna lie. So yeah, you guys are gonna keep me notified. Alright guys, after 4 hours, we are so close. We're getting close, guys. We're only 1 hour away. 1 hour away. We're in this, you know, neighborhood. It's like a town. Like there's barely nobody here. Like we've been driving for about 2 hours now, and we haven't found, like, out of all the people that I saw in 2 hours in this neighborhood, I've only saw 5 in this whole town.
There's no restaurant.
No restaurants, just land and many houses that are like from time to time.
Houses that are abandoned.
Yep, abandoned houses. Oh my gosh, there's so many old houses, guys. You know, I'm starving. We are about to hit McDonald's. So, yeah, we are guys gonna keep you notified when, you know, we finally see a real town. Right, Mom? Alright, see you guys. Hey
We
guys.
are in Vermont!
Let's go, guys.
Finally! We got it here!
Oh my gosh, we got out of New
Pero
York.
matagal pa guys ha, matagal pa. Pero we're in Vermont now. So I'll see you.
I will see you when we get to McDonald's. Bye.
Hey guys, malapit na kami. So nagpapagas ako dito. Finally. Akala ko wala talaga ako makitang gas station. Tapos dadaan kami ng McDonald's, which is dito lang sa kabila. So pupuniin ko na yung sasakyan para tuloy-tuloy na kami. Kasi ano na lang, parang 65 miles na lang na yung natitira. Parang isang oras na lang. 1 hour and 15 minutes left. Guys, yan na si Toto. Nag-stop kami sa McDonald's dito. Malapit na rin naman kami, kaso lang hindi ko na kaya yung hingi na naman kami. So dumaan kami sa kagutom na sa to kasi mag-alauna na guys, alauna na. So yan, nag-antay na kami ng orders namin. So do you wanna eat here, Toto? No, ayaw niya kumain. Buti nakakita kami ng town na to guys kasi akala ko wala na talagang pag-asa. Go check our thing. Parang
What is this?
298.
298.
Yeah. You got it? Alright. Alright, go.
Ladies first.
Thank you. Oh man, ang haba ng pila guys. Oh. Ang haba ng pila ng ng pick-up. Oh, ang init guys. So, medyo strange siya kasi puro puti
Got a
yung,
bath. Here's your underwear first.
puro puti yung mga tao dito. Parang walang ibang kulay. Sila lang talaga.
There you go.
Alam mo yan. So, nag-Big Mac lang kami to. Saka French fries.
Bon appetit, guys.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya kung antayin ko pa na dumating kami, baka sumakit yung tiyan ko.
Alright, first bite.
Ito, it's dropping on the floor, huh? Put them inside the bag so that way you don't need to mess up. Where's the trash?
The Big Mac's delicious.
Pahinga muna tayo guys kasi ano naman, para medyo yung sasakyan medyo magpahinga. Non-stop, alam mo yun? Non-stop talaga yung sasakyan, kaya bait talaga nitong sasakyan na to, reliable talaga, kaya love na love ko tong sasakyan na to eh. Tingnan mo naman guys yung ano nila. What is this total? Big Mac?
Big Mac.
Big Mac niya pero liit-liit siya guys. Noon parang naalala ko kasi madalang lang naman ako makain ng McDonald's. At saka normally yung
The one
binibili,
in the US is bigger.
yung normally yung binibili kong yung McDonald's is yung McChicken lang siya. Tingnan mo nga yung parang naalala ko nung nasa Pilipinas ako, parang laki-laki noon, parang doble nito. Pero ngayon tingnan mo, liit-liit to. Just me. $9 ito. Tapos kasama na yung French fries saka yung soda. So, tapos na siya yun. Gutom na daw siya, kaya talagang paano kasi nung nag-breakfast kami kanina, yung waffles lang kinain niya, nilutuan ko siya ng itlog. Ayaw niyang kumain ng itlog, kaya ayan, gutom. Pero ako hindi pa naman talaga ako gutom. Tamang-tama lang siguro pagdating mamaya, kaya lang bumili na rin ako dahil para hindi na ako kakain pagdating ba sa sa hotel. Ganon. So, tapusin lang namin to guys. Tapusin lang namin to, then aalis na kami.
Because guys, I've been
Or do you wanna
starving.
eat it now or you save
No,
it
yeah,
when
I'll for the road drive. You know, we still have an hour left. Guys, people are like, bro, why are you eating this much? Bro, for breakfast, all I literally ate was one waffle.
Mm-hmm.
One or two waffles, I think. But that's it. I didn't eat anything else.
You didn't even drink the hot chocolate I made for you.
7 hours later. Bro, 7 hours. Like, actually, 7 hours. My drink is lemonade in high C.
So you feel better now?
Way better.
Okay, then we have to go now. So,
Guys, we will catch you notified.
if you wanna eat my
I will.
leftovers, hindi naman ako masyadong
Guys, we'll
gutom.
catch you notified when we get to the hotel.
Baka kainin niya to kasi gutom siya eh. Alright guys, let's go. Nandun na si Toltol. Ang courtyard ba Marriott. So, alright, let's go. Toltol, you just mess your trash. You drop the trash, Toltol, huh? Get the trash. That's yours.
That's not mine.
That's yours. You just drop it. Alright, go. Alright. Checking tayo. Hello. Alright. Alright. Dito ito yung tagabit-bit ng ating tawag dito.
Which one? Which number? Which number is it? One, two, seven. That one. Can I do the honor?
You close. Alright guys. Nandito na kami sa loob.
So there is breakfast.
Dalawang higaan. So which is good. Alright. Whew, nakapagod. At
I'm
saka,
gonna change it to my swimming suit.
1 second please. Okay, you're so excited. Tapos yung sasakyan namin is dyan lang guys sa gilid. So, which is good. So, yeah. Ayan yung view
I
niya.
already know your boy's about to be watching.
So, guys.
I already know the first.
Sa wakas, andito na kami pero lalabas ako ng dahil kukunin ko yung blue bag dahil yung tawag dito yung pagkain namin baka masira. So, dalawang bed tayo. So, at least kasi iniisip nung kaibigan ko, sabi niya ganun isa lang pero nakakuha pala siya ng dalawa. So, maliit lang siya pagpasok mong ganun sa pintuan. Ito yung ano niya.
Mom, there's Netflix.
1 second. Meron siyang closet dito. Diba? May closet. Tapos, ito yung ano niya, banyo niya. Diba? Yung banyo niya. Simple lang naman siya. Pero at least, mabango. Ayun yung ano niya, shower. Alright. Good. Makapagpahinga tayo ng maaga. At least na andito na ba? Oh, God. Nakakapagod guys. Masyadong mahaba yung biyahe. Ayan si Totol. Ano na? Netflix na kaagad oh. Alright guys. So, pahinga muna tayo sandali. Bababa ako doon guys. Kasi kukunin ko nga yung bag ng mga pagkain. Ay, ang problema ko. Paano kaya ako makapagluto? Akala ko may maliit na kitchen. Saan yung kitchen? Wala naman. May fridge dito. Akala ko may kitchen. Patay. Hindi pa naman din ako nagluto guys ng kanin. Yung may bigas akong dala. Sabi ko dito na sana ako magluluto. Naku, wala. Paano yan? Chicken lang kakainin natin. Ay, nakaw. Yeah. Wala siyang kitchen. 30 minutes away lang dun sa camp ng mga bata. So, yun guys, tawag dito, Isang gabi lang naman kami guys dito kasi nga bukas na namin pipick upin yung mga bata. Mahal guys ng rate dito, parang alam mo yun, kasi ano pala, fully book yung mga hotel dito sa area. Tapos, di ba summer nga, maraming camp kasi dito na malapit. So, maraming nagta-travel. So, saka may mga mountain resort dito. Ang pick up ng mga bata is from, kung hindi ko alam, 8 o'clock ata or 9 o'clock hanggang alas 10. You like it, Tonton?
It's pretty good, guys. Wait, why is my hair green? Mom, I have
No,
a
it's
green
just the
hair.
lighting, sweetheart. It's
I have
just the
green hair, you own the Hulk. No way.
Alright, maganda rin naman siya guys, di ba? Ayan. Ayan siya, maganda naman. Alam mo yun. Maliit lang siya, parang 4 na palapag. Ito na yung bag namin guys na malaki. Yo, may bigas ako kaso hindi ko naluto. Akala ko mayroon silang kitchenette. Total, all this stuff, put this in the very back. All of this. No, put them nicely. So you guys, nagdala ako guys ng coconut water. Hindi ko naman nainom. Sabi ko baka mamaya or bukas. Coconut water with pineapple. Tapos yung mga tubig, meron kong 2 case na dinala pero nagkumuha lang ako ng dadalhin dito. Itong Gatorade para sa 2 bukas. Ito kay Toltol. So, meron pa tayong tubig dito. Nagdala ako ng hot cocoa. Baka gustong mag-chocolate milk tomorrow si Toltol. Ito pa nga yung Pringles natin, di naman nabuksan. Ito yung mga Starburst ni Toltol na kinain sa sakyan. Meron tayong apple. Bukas sa sasakyan. Kung hindi makain ngayon, para sa 2 bukas. Nagdala din ako ng blueberries. Hugasan ko na lang mamaya, hindi ko na hugasan yan. So yan. Ito guys, nagdala ako ng bigas. Sabi ko maglasasaing ako. Wala palang kusina, saka walang mga item na paglutuan. Kaya sayang, sabi ko, iniisip ko kayo na magdala ng luto ng kanin. Tapos itong may tinapay ako natira. So, ito na lang i-breakfast ni Toltol bukas. Nagdala ako ng Nutella. Ng hazelnut na ano, parang Nutella pero hindi siya Nutella. Pero parang pareho lang din. Nagdala ako para pang breakfast niya tomorrow. Meron nga tayong adobo dito. Luto na yan. So, ito, kinain ni Toltol yung iba kanina sa sasakyan. So, yun yung hapunan namin. Ito bukas, i-save ko sa mga bata, sa 2 babae bukas kasi baka gusto nilang magpapak ba. So, ilagay ko na lang to sa ref. Hindi naman siguro to masisira kasi langgaw, may vinegar. So, ilagay ko na lang muna. Total, malamig naman yung, yung loob ng room. So, iwanan ko na lang siya dyan para hindi masyadong malamig kainin. Tapos, itong tawag dito, yung cookies ni Toltol kanina, may natira pang konti yan. So, save na lang siya bukas. Diba? Tapos, meron akong ginawang sandwich kanina na pang lunch sana. Hindi din nakain, ayan. So, baka yan mamaya kakainin ko. Mamaya hapon si Toltol, hindi rin niya naubos yun sa kanya eh. Kinain lang niya yung kalahati. So, iwanan ko na lang kasi yan ang hapunan namin mamaya. At saka itong adobo nga. So, yun lang guys. Ito, nanonood na siya ng TV. So, dala ko yung aking computer. So, ang gagawin ko, mag-i-edit ako mamaya ng luma kong video nung last na pumunta pa kami dito. Hindi ko pa kasi natapos i-edit. So, baba kami ni Toltol kasi magsuswimming kami muna kahit 1 oras lang ba. Para masarap tulog natin. Alright guys, ang ganda ng nila oh. Yung parang patch. Yung patio nila. Maganda ito siguro pag pag malamig yung iniilawan nila. Ha? Are you sure? Nalock na daw. Meron akong susi dito. Right there. What about that one? Uh-oh. No, right here. Our key.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, lumabas kami dun sa likod, di ba? Naglakad-lakad kami. Hindi na kami makapasok. Buti na lang merong ano doon, yung parang pintuan sa likod na hindi nakalock. Kaya doon kami dumaan. Tara na, Tol, let's go. Ako'y pagod na. Let's go. Bye.